Hello and welcome to this tutorial on dynamic route matching in Next.js 14. We're diving into the world of catch-all routes. Let's start with a simple Next.js page component catch-all page. We are importing useRouter from Next.js, which is a hook that allows us to access the routing details inside our component. Here, we're particularly interested in the query params. The catch-all route captures all parameters after our base URL and returns them as an array assigned to the params key. If there are no parameters, we default it to an empty array. This is then rendered on the page, allowing us to easily see what parameters are passed into our dynamic route. Now, let's touch upon getServerSideProps, a Next.js function that lets us handle server-side logic. This function is asynchronous and receives a context object, which gives us access to the incoming request details. It's here where we extract our catch-all params from the context of the route. In a real-world scenario, we could use these params to fetch data or validate the request on the server before the page loads. Then, we return an object with props, potentially including the server processed data, that our page component can use. Lastly, the file name. In Next.js, dynamic routes are denoted by square brackets. By prefixing params with 3 dots, we signify this is a catch-all dynamic route. We would save this file as params.js in the appropriate pages directory, for example inside Pages, Products. What this means is that any segment or segments after products will be matched by this file and passed to the params array. It's a powerful feature that enables you to handle multiple routing scenarios with a single file and keep your application scalable and organized.